Earlier this morning, Charles won our 1972 Ford Capri 1600 GT XLR, and this is the moment it happened. Well, good morning, everyone. How are you dealing with these dark mornings and dark evenings as well? If you are joining us today, you are here for the live draw of our 1972 Ford Capri 1600 GT XLR, and here it is, this beautiful car behind us. Now, the odds on this car are really quite fabulous because there was about 1,200 tickets that weren't sold.
Someone told me it was just over 60% sold.
Just over 60%.
Which is not great. Great for if you're in the draw. Because this is absolutely the Capri to have. It's had almost no negative comments this week on this. You have a couple, but nothing major.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the one that ticks, I would like to think, ticks so many Ford people's boxes.
Yeah.
But yeah, 60% sold, which is great if you're in the draw.
It's gorgeous as well because it's got lots of upgrades as well, which is fabulous. So if you have managed to grab your tickets and lock those in, then we are going to find out who is the winner very, very soon. And if you did grab your ticket, it could be you. If you are watching along and you do have a ticket for our Ford Capri, let us know in the comments section.
And it's worth saying that you need to do absolutely nothing on that car. It is so beautiful.
It is beautiful, drives wonderfully. Yeah, we can't rave about it enough, really.
No.
Now, I think we should go ahead and find the winner
of
our Ford Capri. So let's go for it. Let's go into the boardroom. Oh, yes, and I must chat about the evening that we had with Lily Myers. It was such a wonderful evening on Saturday. Thank you so much if you are watching along and you came along to the evening. It was so lovely. She was such a lovely person and she seemed to have a really nice time as well. It was such a kind of heartfelt evening. Sad but happy at the same time.
Do you know, I don't think it was as sad as what I was expecting it to be, which I thought was actually really nice. You got a little bit tearful at one point, didn't you? But I don't even think that bit warranted being tearful necessarily. I thought it was going to be really emotional, and it's not a bad thing that it wasn't. I think when we watched a video that was 10 minutes that the BBC had made after Dave Myers had passed away, and they presented the video to Lily, and she wanted to play it on the evening, and it just showed amazing. I mean, I said to my other half, Linz, when I got home, I didn't realise how much Dave had done with Strictly and Mastermind and all these things. He was just brilliant. And he seemed like such a lovely guy. Yeah. And I think that's how the evening came across as well.
Yeah, and I think the reason that I got, I'm quite an emotional person, but the reason that I got a bit teary because she was speaking about just how happy and loving and just how lovely their relationship was. It was more like, oh, that was so lovely, and do you know what I mean? Kind of thing.
But no, it was an amazing evening, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was so good. I mean, I cry at adverts about fluffy animals, so. Right, here we go. So this is, so we have 3,500 tickets for our Ford Capri, but remember, there was about 1,200 that did not sell. So if we don't find a winner first time, we will just keep rolling until we find our lucky winner. It's important that you let us know that you can see the screen behind me nice and clearly, everybody. I'm going to do a practice run with more tickets than are on our live. There we go. So this is just a practice run. Please let me know that you can see the screen nice and clearly, everybody.
Okay, no one coming through just yet.
It's come up with this number, 4,770. So this is just a practice run. It's higher than the amount of tickets we have on this competition. And I'll pop it all back to 0. So if you could just chuck a little clear in the comments section, that would be fantastic.
Mr. CRT has said loud and clear. Thank you very much. If we can get a couple more clears, that would be really good. It looks good on my screen, but okay, Radar is saying clear as well. So I think we are good to go.
Marvellous. Okay, let's go for it. So 1, 2, 3,500. There we go. Okay, so this is a live draw of our 1972 Ford Capri 1600 GT XLR.
Worth mentioning the 12 grand cash alternative.
Oh gosh, yeah.
That might be what people want. I've only just noticed it on my screen, so I thought I'd better remind you.
Oh my goodness, yeah. So actually, there is a £12,000 cash alternative on this car as well. So if you think, oh, that car's really beautiful and I love it, but actually I need some money in the bank, there you go. You get to decide whether you want to take the £12,000 or the car. How very
And it was a really interesting conversation I had with the E-Type winner a couple of weeks ago, because he was absolutely adamant at the time he was going to take the car. That's what he went in for. slept on it, spoke to his family, and then decided to take the cash. So it does happen.
It does happen, it does happen. But there we go. Okay, I'm not going to make you wait any longer. Let's count down from 3 for the live draw of our Ford Capri. 3, 2, 1. Number 2,322. 2,322. Oh, we do have a winner. 2,322. Charles Hespin. Charles Hespin. Congratulations, you have just won yourself a Ford Capri or £12,000. My goodness me. We're going to find your number now. Charles, or are you watching along? If you are watching along, that would be amazing. Right. Okay, let's go and stand in front of that Ford Capri, which is now owned by Charles, or he's going to decide to take that £12,000. It's always really exciting. I wonder what he is going to choose. But let's just walk around. We've got to get around all of the cars now. Don's doing a very good job of walking backwards and not crashing into anything. Okay, let's give Charles a call.
Welcome to the EE voicemail.
Shall I leave a message or not?
I'm sorry, but the person you've called is not available.
No, we'll try him again later. We always leave a message, don't we?
We'll try him again. Okay, there we go. Oh, unfortunately, Charles didn't answer this morning, but he has just won himself this Ford Capri or £12,000. It's going to be really exciting to see what he chooses. That was our live draw from this morning, but let's have a look at what Greg's getting up to with our Mercedes.
It's a 78 350 SL. The car came in and every single panel on the car was rusted. So we replaced every single panel on the car that was rusted. No, actually the only thing that was not rusted was the transmission tunnel or the gearbox tunnel. So we slowly replaced everything on the car. Every single piece to factory standards. There is no rust left on this. This is going to be the nicest 350 SL in all of England. It has to be. The toughest bit is that you cannot buy every panel for the car. So we have to hand make some of the panels to the factory specifications. All these little tweaks and bends, some of them are just, you know, it needs to be done right. So it does take a lot of time. What's next is Chris is going to epoxy the whole car. Then he's going to go by and seam seal every single seam on the vehicle so that this doesn't happen again. And then very minor body work.
Join us on Thursday for the live draw of our Jaguar Mark II. But going live to our mailing list tonight is our Volkswagen 5.1 Highline. If you would like to see more from inside the workshop, then please like, subscribe and turn on your notifications for the Bridge Classic Cars YouTube channel.